It's late February and you realize the Form 1099 you received is an error. In fact, it overstates your income by several $1,000s. What should you do? First, put yourself in the shoes of the vendor, bank, or investment company representative. Gather evidence you think they'll need to support your claim to correct the form. This includes receipts, emails, and statements. Have your account number handy as well. Next, contact the vendor as soon as you discover the error and ask them to reissue the statement or provide you with a corrected form. Start with a phone call. Then gather your evidence and written documentation outlining the corrective action they agreed to take. Then send them the information via certified mail. Give a reasonable yet concrete time frame to correct the error. You don't want to wonder when a correction is coming, so keep control of the timing if at all possible. If the vendor agrees with your change, ask for a letter from them that outlines the correction. File this letter with your tax return to help you defend against a potential audit. After a reasonable attempt to correct the error and there's no progress to correct the tax form, contact the IRS to inform them of the failure to correct your information. If you believe a correction is on the way, you may wish to file a tax extension. Remember, you'll still need to pay any tax owed by the original due date of your tax return. If you don't have assurances of a correction, file your tax return with the correct information and provide documentation that outlines the reporting error. When errors like this happen, you'll need help to ensure your tax return doesn't trigger an audit. So, disclose your situation as soon as possible to ensure it's handled correctly.